So what made this past story, The Trip, more interesting than the last story? Conflict. This is still a story about Mrs. Harris trying to get to the grocery store, but she runs into so many more obstacles. The story becomes more exciting and funny at times as we see how our character deals with the conflicts she faces. In other words, the conflict in this story makes it a lot less boring than the first story. There are different types of conflict. Conflict can be sorted into two categories: internal conflict and external conflict. Let's find out more about each type. Internal conflict is when a character has a conflict in his or her head. For example, she needs to go to the bathroom but doesn't want to break into the veterinarian's office. External conflict is when the obstacles come from outside the main character. For example, the dog ate her keys, and the alarm clock is possessed and trying to make her wake up in the middle of the night. See if you can identify the conflicts the characters must deal with in the next two stories. Then you will determine if the conflicts are internal conflicts or external conflicts.